Let me see it.
You see any, you see the vents?
Yeah.
I can see the light right up here.
Yep.
So it's clear.
You see the light going in there.
Now we're going down.
That's crazy. I'm recording this so my wife can see it. And this is,
See, this is all underwater right here. This is where your problem's at right here.
It's so dirty, right?
It's all underwater. You hear that?
Yeah. So what is it? It's like
It's like a dip in the pipe.
yeah.
And then right here is where your stoppage is. So let me get out my cable machine and we'll run it down and try to stop that. Right at about 17 feet. So that's about 10 feet down. Because you have to subtract the how far it is from the actual pipe up here. So we'll rerun it afterwards. But right now you see this is the water down here.
Yeah.
Yeah, once I get that cable down, we'll be able to see a little bit better. I just wanted to check it out, make sure there's no major breaks.
Yeah.
We never